Want to make money while you sleep? You're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down 5 passive income ideas that are set to take off in 2025. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes. They're smart, scalable, and beginner-friendly. Let's get into it. First up, digital products. This is one of the easiest ways to earn passive income in 2025. Think ebooks, templates, Notion dashboards, or online courses. You create something once and people can buy it over and over again. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and Teachable make it simple to sell. If you have a skill or knowledge others want, you can turn it into income, even while you sleep. Number 2, YouTube automation. You don't need to show your face or use your voice. You can outsource everything, from script writing to editing, and focus on growing the channel. Once monetized, your videos keep earning through ads, affiliate links, and sponsorships. Pick a profitable niche like finance, health, or tech and post consistently. It takes time to grow, but the results can be massive. Third, dividend-paying stocks. This is a classic passive income stream. You invest in companies that pay you a portion of their profits regularly just for owning their stock. Look for businesses with a solid track record and consistent payouts. Over time, you can reinvest those dividends and watch your income grow, all with zero extra effort. Number 4, affiliate marketing. You recommend a product, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. You can do this through blogs, YouTube channels, or even social media pages. The key is to build trust with your audience and promote products that actually help them. Done right, it can generate income for years with little maintenance. And finally, AI-generated print on demand. You create t-shirt, mug, or poster designs using tools like Midjourney or Canva and upload them to platforms like Redbubble or Etsy. When someone places an order, the platform prints and ships it. You just collect the profit. You don't need inventory, and you don't have to deal with shipping or customer service. So there you have it, 5 passive income ideas to jump on in 2025. These won't make you rich overnight, but they can build serious wealth over time if you stick with them. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more money-making tips and start building your passive income journey today.